breaking news, the verdict in a messed up and abusive marriage between two actors, one of them a very big star. Their domestic violence played out in a courtroom in front of a jury, and because of television, also playing out in the court of public opinion. When it was over, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, both of them, found liable for defamation based on each other's public allegations of domestic violence. But the money awarded, not all the same at all. Lauren Glassberg in the newsroom with the reaction to all this. Lauren?
Well, Bill, they may be screen stars, but this court case has shown that behind the scenes, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard had a tumultuous marriage that was far from a fairy tale, with allegations of violence, drugs, and alcohol. Lurid testimony sent social media abuzz for 6 weeks, and now a verdict that is the stuff of movies.
As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million.
If it's about money, then Johnny Depp is the winner today, a jury awarding him $15 million in his defamation claim against his ex-wife, Amber Heard. The jury found today that when Amber Heard wrote an op-ed in the Washington Post describing herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse, she defamed Depp and acted with malice. Depp wasn't in court today, but he issued this statement saying, in part, "Speaking the truth was something that I owed to my children and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me." His attorney acknowledged that support.
We are also most pleased that the trial has resonated for so many people in the public who value truth and justice. Now that the jury has reached its conclusive verdict, it's time to turn the page and look to the future.
But Heard also won part of her counterclaim and was awarded $2 million in compensatory damages. In a statement, she said in part, "I'm sad I lost this case, but I am sadder still that I seem to have lost a right I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly." There were dozens of witnesses in this trial, including ex-lovers and assistants. Heard testified about what she called Depp's pattern of violence, and Depp testified that she was the violent one, slapping, punching, and throwing things at him. It was all fodder for fans who showed up outside the courthouse day in and day out. And Johnny Depp, again, was not in court for the verdict because he was in London working. And he says that work has been hard to find because that op-ed piece devastated his career. We will have to see if this verdict helps his career because it essentially clears him of domestic abuse. And even though the jury awarded Depp $5 million in punitive damages, Virginia, where this case was tried, caps punitive damages at $350,000. Bill?